In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder pages in GoDaddy website. Clear navigation helps visitors find what they need quickly, improves conversions, and even supports your site's overall usability. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to adjust your page order confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening your browser, going to Google, and typing GoDaddy. This is a quick, reliable way to get to the official site if you don't remember the exact address. Click the GoDaddy result to head to the homepage. Sign in to your account, then look to the top right and click your username. That opens a handy menu with all your account areas. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt to secure your login. From the drop-down, select My Products. This page shows everything tied to your account, including your websites plus marketing sites. It's your central hub and the fastest route to the correct editor, especially if you manage multiple websites or domains. Choose the website you want to work on. Click to open its editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see a live preview of your site and a Pages panel, usually on the left, listing your current page order. This order controls how your navigation appears across your site, so keeping it logical is important. To rearrange the pages, find the Reorder icon at the top right of the Pages area, near the plus icon used for adding new pages. Click Reorder to switch into drag and drop mode. This mode focuses purely on structure, so you won't accidentally edit page content while you move items. Now, click and hold the page you want to move, then drag it to the new position. Watch for the highlight or line indicator showing where the page will land before you release. If you notice the page indenting under another, that means it's being nested. Keep it aligned with the main list if you want it to remain a top-level page. Arrange your most important pages, like Home, Services, About, and Contact, near the top to guide visitors smoothly. If your menu is long, scroll within the panel and make careful, deliberate drops to avoid misplacement. When you're satisfied, click Done. This exits reorder mode and applies your changes. Take a moment to review the site preview and confirm the navigation reflects the new order on both desktop and mobile views. If something feels off, simply reopen Reorder and fine-tune the positions. Adjustments are quick and safe, and that's all it takes. You've successfully reordered pages in your GoDaddy website, creating a cleaner, more intuitive menu that helps visitors get where they're going faster. Thanks for watching, and happy building.